In the serene outskirts of a bustling town, nestled beneath the shade of a Bodhi tree, sat the revered sage, Gautama Buddha. His countenance was tranquil, his eyes emanating a profound sense of peace that seemed to embrace all who approached him. One gloomy afternoon, a troubled soul named Arjun trudged his way through the dusty path leading to the Bodhi tree. His heart weighed heavy with the burdens of life, his mind clouded with worries and despair. Seeking solace, he sought out the wisdom of the enlightened one. As Arjun approached, he noticed the sage sitting cross-legged, his hands resting gently on his lap. With a hesitant stride, Arjun lowered himself before Buddha, his troubled gaze meeting the serene eyes of the enlightened one. "O wise one," Arjun began, his voice laden with sorrow, "I am lost amidst the chaos of life. My heart aches with unanswered questions, my soul drowning in despair. Please, guide me towards the light." Buddha's lips curved into a gentle smile as he extended his hand towards Arjun, inviting him to share his burdens. "Speak, my child," he said, his voice resonating with a soothing melody. "Pour out your troubles, and together we shall find solace." And so, Arjun poured out his heart to Buddha, recounting the trials and tribulations that had plagued his existence. He spoke of loss and longing, of shattered dreams and unfulfilled desires. With each word, his anguish seemed to dissipate, replaced by a glimmer of hope. With a compassionate gaze, Buddha listened intently to Arjun's tale, his wisdom weaving through the fabric of his words like a guiding thread. And as the last echoes of Arjun's sorrow faded into the ether, Buddha spoke, his voice carrying the weight of millennia of wisdom. "Life is but a fleeting moment," Buddha began, his words carrying the resonance of eternal truth. "In the tapestry of existence, joy and sorrow are but mere threads interwoven to create the masterpiece of life. Embrace each moment with gratitude, for within it lies the seeds of enlightenment." With each word that flowed from Buddha's lips, Arjun felt a profound sense of peace wash over him, his troubled mind finding solace in the depths of the sage's wisdom. And as the final syllables of Buddha's sermon faded into the ether, Arjun's heart soared with newfound clarity. With a deep bow of gratitude, Arjun rose from his place before the sage, his spirit uplifted by the wisdom he had received. With each step he took away from the Bodhi tree, he carried with him the light of enlightenment, his heart brimming with newfound hope and purpose. And so, amidst the tranquil serenity of the Bodhi tree, another soul found solace in the teachings of the enlightened one, his journey towards enlightenment illuminated by the timeless wisdom of Gautama Buddha.